Children, today I am going to give the revision lesson for living world of plants because next week first midterm exam no, so be ready for the exam. Daily you should read, children. Okay, first pattern, choose the right answer. First question, pond is the example of dash ecosystem, fresh water. Okay, pond is the example of freshwater ecosystem. The important function of stomata is transpiration. The important function of stomata is transpiration. The organ of absorption is root. The organ of absorption is root. The habit of water hygienic is aquatic. The habit of water hygienic is aquatic. Next pattern, true or false? The plants can live without water. False, because the plants cannot live without water. The second question, all plants have chlorophyll. The answer is true. Okay. Next, see the next third question. Plants have three parts: root, stem, and leaves. No, false. Plants have several parts such as root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. Okay. Mountain is the example for freshwater habitat. False. Next, root is modified into spines. False. Next, sixth one. Green plants need sunlight. True. Are you understood, children? Yes. Next, third pattern, fill in the blanks. Earth's surface is covered by dash percentage of water, more than 70%. Next, second question, the driest places on earth are deserts. Next, third question, fixation and absorption are the main functions of root. Primary organs of photosynthesis are leaves. Taproot system is present in dash plants, dicotyledonous plants. Next, fourth pattern, match the following. Mountain, the answer is Himalayas. Desert, dry place. Stem, branches. Photosynthesis, leaves. Fibrous root, monocot. I think you understood? Yes? Yes. Next, fifth pattern, arrange in correct sequence. Leaves, stem, root, flower. So the answer is root, stem, leaves, flower. Next, transpiration, conduction, absorption, fixation. The answer is fixation, absorption, conduction, and transpiration. Okay. Next pattern, very short answer. Classify the plants on basis of the habitats. The answer is the two major habitats are aquatic habitat and terrestrial habitat. Aquatic habitat classified into two. There are freshwater habitat, marine water habitat. Terrestrial habitat classified into three. First one, forest habitat, grassland habitat, desert habitat. Next, second question, identify the desert plant from the following. The answer is desert plant, cactus. Next, third question, define the term habitat. A dwelling place of an animal, plant or other organism to live and reproduce is called as habitat. Next, fourth one, related the terms leaves and photosynthesis. The green leaves are essential for preparing food because it contains green pigment called chlorophyll. The preparation of food is known as the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is essential for plant growth. Are you understood this one? Yes. Next pattern, short answer. Why do you call jasmine plant a twinner? Because the jasmine plant has a weak stem. It cannot stand straight on its own. It must climb on any support to survive. So jasmine plant is called as the twinner. Yes. Next, second question. Compare the taproot and fibrous root system. Taproot system, first point, consists single root. Fibrous root system, it consists cluster of roots. Next, second one, it grows straight down in the ground. It is thin and uniform in size. Next, third one, seen in dicotyledonous plant, seen in monocotyledonous plant. Are you understood this one? Next, third question. Distinguish between terrestrial and aquatic habitats. Terrestrial habitats, they are found on land. Aquatic habitats, they are found in water. They include desert, grassland, forest, farms, towns, and cities. They include the areas permanently as well as occasionally covered by water. They are classified into three types, that is desert habitat, grassland habitat, and forest habitat. They are classified into two types such as freshwater habitat, marine water habitat. Terrestrial habitats examples are rubber tree, teak tree, neem tree. Aquatic habitats example lily, lotus, marine algae, sea grasses. Next, fourth one, list out the plants present in your school garden. Answer is mango tree, neem tree, water lily, clitoria, hibiscus. These are the examples for the some plants. Okay, are you understood, children? Next, detailed answer. First question, make a functions of root and stem. Function of root. The root fixes the plant to the soil, absorbs water and minerals from the soil. It stores the fruits and some plants like. Next, function of stem. Stem supports the branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Transports water and minerals from root to upper aerial pods. Next, third point, transport the prepared food from leaves to other pods. Next, fourth one, stores food as in the case of sugar cane. Yes. Next, study the given concept, connecting by drawing arrow. Answer is habitat, aquatic habitat, terrestrial habitat. Aquatic habitat is classified into two, that is a freshwater habitat and marine habitat. Terrestrial, desert and grassland. Again it split into three, river, lake, pond. Here terrestrial habitat, forest. I think you understood this lesson. Okay children, read well. Okay, thank you children.